You've launched Valorant. Head for a new match, maybe even a ranked climb with your friends, only to be met with that soul-crushing login failed error. It's the absolute worst feeling. Right, one moment you're ready to clutch that round, the next you're staring at a screen that tells you, nope, not today. This frustrating roadblock can throw your whole gaming session into chaos, leaving you feeling helpless and wondering what went wrong. You've probably tried restarting the game a dozen times, maybe even but that stubborn error just won't budge. Don't worry. You're not alone in this digital despair, and more importantly, you're in the right place to get it fixed. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the most common culprits behind the Valorant login failed error and walk you through step-by-step solutions to get you back into the game and dominating the competition. Let's banish that error for good. All right, let's start with the absolute basics, because sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Before we dig into anything complex, try restarting the Valorant clean completely. If that doesn't work, give your whole a fresh reboot. And don't forget your router too. Unplugging your router for seconds and plugging it back in can work wonders by refreshing your network connection. Next up, we're targeting the core of the issue, the Riot client and its ever-vigilant sidekick, VALORANT. Sometimes the Riot client just acts up, so try closing it fully from your system tray and relaunching it. For VALORANT, open your Windows services. Just search Services in the Start menu, find VEC and make sure it's running. If it's not, start up, or if it's already running, try restarting the service. Often the login failed error is secretly a network hiccup hiding in plain sight. Let's give your internet a quick refresh using the command prompt. Open it as an administrator and tick the config flushes, then hit enter, followed by a config release, and then a config renew. This sequence flushes your disk key and reuse your IP address, which can clear up connection issues in a snap. Leave it or not your own security. Software might be the one blocking your path to glory. Your Windows firewall or even third-party antivirus can sometimes mistakenly identify Valorant with the Riot client as a threat. Try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus for a few minutes to see if you can log in. If that works, remember to add Valorant and the Riot client as exceptions in your security software to prevent future issues.